Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to print something in the output in Java programming language. So in order to learn how to print the famous message hello world in the output in Java, we simply need to write down this line of code. So we write down system.output.println, and inside parentheses in quotes, we're going to write down our message. For example, hello and then world. If I want to write down another message, simply I again do the syntaxing. So I write down system.out.println, and inside parentheses, we're going to have welcome to Java programming. So when I run this code, we see that here we are having the hello world message and then welcome to Java programming message. But if I want to write another one, so system.out.println, and then I can say this is Reza Shaheen from Java programming. And when I run the code one more time, we see that again this message is showing in the output. This is Reza Shaheen from Java programming. But one thing to note is that here in the end, we need to have the semicolon as well. So please note the semicolon in the end, and simply whenever you want to print something in the terminal in the output, you write down system.out.println, and inside parentheses in code, you write down your message. Thank you for watching.